What's going on, guys? Elliot the Real Estate Champ.
And Ruby the Burger Babe.
And today we are in the city of Riverside. We are at a blue carpet experience. And what are we doing here?
We are delivering keys.
This is long waiting. It is time. I'm super happy. Mario and Denise, congratulations. I am outside your home and I am super excited for you guys. We have been shopping for a long time. We were searching in Hemet and San Jacinto, and who would have known that your house was only going to be 2 doors down from where you currently live now. So we are super excited for you. We are super happy, and congratulations.
Congratulations, Mario and Denise. You guys are awesome. Thank you for using Blue Monkey. I heard all the stories, everything that happened with the offers, and honestly, the house you guys got is such a blessing. I think you guys need to go buy a lotto ticket.
Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations.
Hi, we're the Juarez family, and we bought our house through Blue Monkey, and we're just happy that everything's over. First of all, we want to thank everybody on the team that has been there every step of the way. We're just super blessed, and just I know if you guys put your mind to it, you guys can achieve your goal. And I know this was a great experience. Just want to thank everybody behind the scenes, if you want to put it that way. Thank you to Blue Monkey, and let's do it. Thank you. We love Blue Monkey.